Wheels done black. Now bought some proper black spray. Because the wheel's going to go candy red. Got a selection of tools, some scotch pads of different, I don't know what you call it really, different grades I suppose. Roughness, brass brush, some alloy wheel cleaner, brush it in. Actually got some Mr. Muscle, that might be better, I don't know yet, we'll try it. And then rinse it all down with some brake cleaner before I dry it off. With some nice clean lint free pads before spraying it. So we'll get straight into it. I think we'll soak it all and just push it all in, make sure we get it everywhere. And even around the back where we won't see it, but we'll do it properly. Well, I did think about taking the calipers off, but to be honest, they're in such good condition, they're not going to need much of a clean or preparation. So we'll just give them a good clean here and prep them for spraying. I do like the Lotus sign there, so I might mask tape that off. I'll have to see about that one, the other side. Well, let that soak in for a little while, do its trick, and then we'll come back to it. So I've been on and done all 4 brake calipers, let them soak, just give it a little bit of a wipe down. Let's see what I'm doing a bit better. They're in really good condition actually, it's a shame to paint them, but paint them we're going to. So we've got these different grades. I think I'll just go for the middle grade first of all. Do a bit more. Actually so that's making much of an imprint on them. Oh, it is, yeah. Yeah, it's bringing a bit of the paint off. So I'll just do all that now. Getting everywhere. Try and get more of a key to the surface. I'll mask up the pipes, the bleed screws, and this nice pipe down here. I don't know about Lotus. I'll probably scrape off actually because it's a surface. Let's see. I don't think I'll get all this done all 4 corners now. So we'll just give that a quick wipe down before we get the brake cleaner on it. And those screws. I'll come back actually. Still needs sprayed. Then we'll get it, try to get out the little places. Okay, you can probably see that I've took quite a bit of the red paint off actually. Probably a bit more than I needed to, but it's got a good key. Still looks a little bit shiny in places, but generally speaking, all 4 corners now have had a good Scotch-Brite down, give them a good key. I think we'll just give them a quick spray with a brake cleaner, just to get rid of everything. I'll do that for all 4 corners. Now I could use a hairdryer to blow away all that excess spray. I'm just going to use my little pet dryer. It'll do just a good job, probably better. Oh, powerful. Just going to give him another brake cleaner, a nice clean cloth. Just make absolutely sure that it's clean as you possibly can. We get a green black, it's probably isn't that important because it's really doing it anyway, but I want some red stuff on it. Alright, I don't think we're going to get it much cleaner. Again, I'll just go and do the same for all 4 corners. All 4 corners prepped. Now we'll just mask off some of the bits we don't want to get sprayed. Actually, I think that's all we need to do. Now it's debatable whether I want to just spray these or not, because they're nice and silver. So what I'll do, I'm just going to put a bit of grease on them so the paint won't actually stick to it. Make sure I don't get anywhere else though. And then the paint will just come off nicely. One little bit of masking tape. Okay. Same on the back. Right, we're ready for paint. Right, I'm back. We've thoroughly shaken this can and we're good to go. Lots of small coats, and if it was any other colour from black I think I would have took the calipers off, but I think we're going to be fine. Right, that's that one done. On to the other four now. That's long 15 minutes, but I'll have to do it properly. I do like that reddy black colour. Do the other three now and wait 15 minutes, put another layer on. Just one more spray left, I think, on each caliper. Alright, so they're dry now. They are super shiny. Just waiting for the brake caliper lacquer to turn up now. If you remember, I put some grease on these little pipes. So the paint comes off the pipes. Smart. Happy with that. Lacquer's turned up, extremely high temperature clear lacquer. Give these a few coats, but also while I was around the area I noticed the wheel hub faces were very bad, quite rusty. All four corners, but especially the back ones actually. So I've wire wheeled them all, so they're nice and flat. Wheel will sit lovely and flat against that hub. So we'll shake this a few more times, a few more minutes, and we'll get the lacquer on. Now put the lacquer on. Again, I'm not bothered about the overspray on the disc because I'll be scotch brighting all the discs down, giving everything a really good clean afterwards. Right, on to the other three now. Lots of little thin coats. Well, I've come back to it after the first coat there, and the lacquer's reacted with the paint. Can't believe it, I'm gutted. All that pre-work, all that prep work wasted. Alright, well, I'll do it all again, but I won't put lacquer on this time. Hope you found this useful. I hope you've learned from this one. Don't put any lacquer on in the future. Give us a thumbs up if you found it useful. Please subscribe. Helps the channel a lot. Until next time, safe driving.